Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to convert your Word file into a PDF file. So this can be done for assignments or whatnot. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So you're going to open your Word file right here, okay, and it says TechnoRight is where technology is done right. Subscribe now, which you should. Okay, so to convert this into PDF, you don't need any external software. It's very simple. You just go into file right here, and then you go into save as, and then you browse and save it anywhere you want. I want to save it in my desktop. Name the file right here, okay, and here it says save as type. Click on that and find for PDF. Okay, now once you selected PDF, just click on save. Okay, I'm done, and now it asks me to open the PDF file. Okay, so I'm just going to select Microsoft Edge, which is going to help me allow to open the file, and you can see it's in PDF format, .pdf. So if I close this and close Word, you can see my fax has been converted into a PDF file. So that's all for this process, guys. It's a very simple process, and yeah, thanks for watching, folks.